Today, we are announcing criminal charges against 19 defendants for fraudulent home health care schemes that targeted Pennsylvania's Medicaid fraud program and resulted in over $4 million of fraud. The cases today build on the work that we recently announced in Minnesota, where we charged 15 defendants for systematically looting 7 state-managed Medicaid programs out of more than $90 million.
And finally, average payments per beneficiary more than $50,000, far above what you'd ever expect. All this points to fraud.
Half of the 20 million Medicaid expansion enrollees were likely ineligible in 2024. This imposed roughly $33 billion in improper federal costs, with a major cost shift from states to the federal government.
Welcome back. That was the Assistant U.S. Attorney General for Fraud Enforcement, Colin McDonald, and CMS Chief Dr. Oz. On the first, they're talking about the DOJ announcement today. 19 arrested and charged in a $4 million Medicare and Medicaid fraud scheme in Philadelphia, charging for thousands of hours. They never worked. And then that was at the end, Paragon Health's president testifying, 10 million new enrollees that states put on Medicaid likely not eligible. They're ineligible. That's the state putting $33 billion more in wrongful costs on U.S. federal taxpayers. Millions of Medicaid expansion enrollees not eligible in 2024. That's, again, $33 billion in overpayments improperly. Joining us now from Ways and Means, New York Congresswoman Claudia Tenney. Congresswoman, it's so great to see you. They keep uncovering more abuse of U.S. taxpayers nationwide. The GAO now says it's $3 trillion in overpayments blown out the back door since 2003. What do you say to all this?
It's absolutely outrageous. Americans are very generous. They're kind. They care about seniors and people that need the care that they're supposed to be getting. But every dollar of this fraudulent money that goes to a fraudster hurts a senior, hurts someone that truly needs this care, whether it's Medicaid and Medicare, and they're completely taking advantage of us. And the Democrats will argue that we don't care as Republicans. We do care and respect our taxpayers, and we know that they want to help truly needy people, but they don't want to be taken advantage of, and that's why we're trying to root out this fraud, this abuse, and this waste. And a lot of this turns out to be organized crime figures, foreign nationals that have come in and taken advantage of the goodness of the American people.
So, you know, it seems like President Trump comes in, he's turning over the rocks that nobody else decided to turn over. I mean, Republicans have been talking about for years, but the president is finally getting something done to protect U.S. taxpayers. How come this wasn't done before?
Well, a lot of it happened during the Biden administration when we uncovered the fraud in Los Angeles, and Dr. Oz was actually in there to report it. Look, a lot of people didn't go to work. They worked in these agencies. They weren't providing oversight. They weren't providing the controls that you need in place to make sure the taxpayer money is guarded. So that's exactly what happened, and we're fixing it.
From Ways and Means, Congresswoman Claudia Tenney of New York, thank you so much for joining us tonight. It's always great to see you.